Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change the border of a text box in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with this text box. Now I change the border of this text box. At first you have to select this text box, then press edit option. Now again select this text box, then go border dash option. Now I choose last one, then press save and close. Now you can see I changed the border of text box in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.